Hello friends, welcome to my channel Power of AEM. This is the second video where we are starting to discuss about the discovery agent, which could be the very first agent to, to explore that. Discovery agent, the purpose of having this agent to search the content on the overall program, or you can say in a particular environment. This agent is helping us to finding out the assets. Asset could be any type. It could be a content fragment, experience fragment, adaptive forms, any video, images, PDF articles, or any other of uh, content which is available under your digital media hierarchy. As this is an agent, so it is accepting the natural language as a input. So we have not to pass any complex query or any custom filter to find out the better results. As an outcome of the natural language input, we are getting the results, and that result is pulling out from different metadata or by finding the asset, as this is looking all the asset with full text search method, and based on that we are getting the response. Mainly it is using for overall searching criteria. However, this is very useful in terms of finding out the assets by any non-technical person who are not having a good experience on AEM to writing the queries to play around the filter or to design a new custom filters by just adding simple words as a prompt, and you will get the response as per your prompt. Let's see quickly how this agent is helping us in the real time. So currently I am in on one of my environment. This is my authoring tier environment, and I would like to search a particular asset. In order to access, as we discussed, how you can access your AI agent, there are multiple ways. In this video, we are trying to explore the AI assistant, which you can see on the right top. If you click on that, a window will open up, and you can see it is having a a window where you can write your own prompt, but you need to also look at how different type of context we can add. As we are currently looking at Experience Manager, AEM, so we have selected in the documentation source as Experience Manager. The same assistant is working for different products like AEP and Journey Optimizer. So make sure you are setting up the right context in order to search the right element based on your prompt. So let's quickly see the very first prompt that I can share and can get the response. I would like to I would like to pull out all the assets that is having a tagged or a word with keyword as landscape, and this is my overall environment. So if I go with this prompt, it will hit the discovery agent. As you can see, discovery agent is now in work, and based on its multi prompt input, it could find out the better output for me. So based on the landscape keyword, I would like to search something. And as you can see, the very first asset, it is having landscape in the title, and I am getting a response accordingly. Similarly, in the second one, landscape was in the title. The next one is also, so based on the title description and the index that we have already set it up, I'm currently using out of the box indexes. So based on those, it is giving me all the response. Then the next one you can look at, it is also having a keyword in this as a landscape. So I'm getting the the output. Similarly, the other one. So based on that, I'm getting the response. Also, we need to look at in a one shot, it can give us only the 10 responses. like it is saying 11 assets we have found, but it is not going beyond that. If we want a more response, we need to look at the indexing in the same, or you can say the pagination, how in regular way it works. So in the same order, we have to pull out the response. Or might be you can design your path structure when you are prompting. Currently, I'm looking at the overall hierarchy of the path, or you can say the parent hierarchy of the DAM repository. So I'm getting response like that. But if you are sure to find out the asset in a particular hierarchy of digital asset uh, folder structure, then you can provide your path as well. So this is how you can pull out all the response. This is very first use case in the discovery agent. Let's pull out the another use case. In the another use case, I would like to find out all the assets which were created after Feb 2026, or let me change that to January 2026. I would like to know how many assets I have created in my environment after this date. So it will be very easy. I don't need to write a complex query to find out that. I'm not sure how to write the query, how to add the filters, but with this just natural language, I can easily find out the asset. So you can see I'm able to find out the asset quickly. In the same way, for example, if I would like to find out assets which are having mind tab as PDF, so how we can do that? Let's quickly see that. So I have written the prompt as list all the PDF file exist in my environment, and I'm searching on the top l- path of my digital asset. So it is again hitting the discovery agent, and based on multi-shot prompting, it is trying to pull out all the assets, and it will quickly show me the response. As I do not have any filter, I'm just want to pull out all the PDFs so I can see the PDF files here. So all PDFs will be available for me. All right, so that is how we can leverage the discovery agent and can pull out all the images very quickly. Thanks for watching, and please do subscribe my channel.